The N1X, brand new, everything. Taking the inspiration from a neo-futuristic concept, uniting the people's present and its future, integrating both worlds into a single product, stepping into something we never had before. Achieve both smooth glides and solid response. From our linear and tactile switches, built to adapt, enjoy the quietness of your home or the bustling life of the city. Stimulate your creative senses with our covered RGB underglow. Features gasket mounting for a refined typing experience. Customize everything, freedom at the expense of your fingertips. To us, this is the first. The N1X design is both bold and sophisticated. To be bold in everyday decision, to be adaptive in every situation, to not compromise the human factor in this urbanized era.